Good morning, my lovely peeps. And how is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing fine. I hope everybody had a nice weekend. So anyway, I'm coming to you guys this morning with my breakfast. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, see, I have there that's turkey bacon, my English muffins, but I have some honey with that. You see over here? I got my Deli rings, and I got turkey bacon right there, and my cheese, folded egg. Got my green eggs on top, and my sweet peppers, guys. Oh, and also my vanilla cream iced coffee. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for the food I'm about to receive, Lord. Let it be nutritious to my body, Lord. Bless those that don't have it, Father. Thank God. Amen. So, how is my lovely peeps doing? Guys, I tell you, God is so good. God is so good. I wouldn't even know what to do without my Father. Back at the Walmart. I thought he would be off, but their school is not off. So, not all schools and things are not running. I know I live by the city, so the city is still up. So I guess the government's still working. So, put me some peppers on there, guys. And you know I gotta have my juice. I'll put my pepper juice on there. I got my pepper. I got my pepper juice, baby. I got my pepper. I got my pepper juice. That's it. That's right. So, what have my lovely peeps been up to? What you guys do for the weekend? Leave a comment below. I did. I enjoyed myself. Church service was so wonderful. Not the goodness of the Lord. I'm sorry. Where are my manners, huh? I was wanting sour cream. I think I'm going to get a little sour cream. I'm going to get a little sour cream and put on my eggs. I love sour cream on my eggs. Especially. Where are you, sour cream? There you go. Throw that little sour cream on there, you know. A little touch up. Give it a little touch up, guys. Okay. So, let me give you guys a bite. It was so delicious. That is good. Yeah, so good. Excuse my smacking, guys. I went for my walk this morning. My adrenaline was so up. That walk felt so good. Mm-hmm. Mm. How to burn them calories off I had yesterday. We had a big old feast after church. Mm-hmm. I had some leftover, like rice. I had cooked a big thing of rice to make sure we had everything. But I'm gonna make me some fried rice with that today. Mm-hmm. Really am. So, my lovely peeps, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for your support. And always being here. So, for the new lovely peeps, welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate you. Always remember, guys, hit that notification bell. Bing, so you'll be notified when I come up with videos alive. Please feel free to also share my videos. But we can get more lovely people to the One to the Peeps family. Enjoy it. So, like I said, back to the drawing board today. I'll go get my grandson from school. So, I said, I have to come on and chat with my lovely peeps now. That is so good, y'all. It's really good. I love that pepper juice on my egg. I don't know, I like that, but it tastes good. It gives it like a good flavor, you know. When you put the pepper juice on it. So, what have my lovely peeps been up to? You guys been good? I hope you guys been good. Been okay. Had a wonderful weekend. I did. So, guys, I want an introduction for my page really bad. Anybody know anything about how to put an introduction on a YouTube channel with the phone? Please feel free to leave some tips down below in the comment. I appreciate it. So good. I am hungry. Y'all eat breakfast before I walk. The best thing to do is just get up early in the morning while your feeling is wrong. Put your clothes on, go out the door. That's what I do. So, voila. Here I am. Talking with my lovely peeps. Oh my God. Like I said, I appreciate you guys so much. I just don't know. My little T-Mobile cup. My brother had got me from Pound. It's all faded around this part. But it's the T-Mobile colors, you know. Oh, anyway. I just want to come on here and have a chit chat with my lovely peeps. On this Monday. God, these days don't wait on nobody. It's already October the 14th already. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to come on here and have a little chit chat with my lovely peeps. See what you guys was up to. You know. I'm gonna leave you guys alone. That's so good. That's such a good taste to it. I'm putting no salt. I put like my son got me this really good seasoning. I'm gonna show you guys. There's a really good flavor seasoning that he got me. Okay, Mama. His mama's having no salt, too much salt, but and it's really good. And it has no salt in it. All the different flavors in there. Everything with garlic and all that. It tastes so delicious. Now that add a little extra garlic powder, garlic, onion powder and stuff. I'm trying to lay off the salt. Not too much sugar, you know. So, that's the evening done. Actually, yes, that's how I'm seasoning my food now. It has such wonderful aroma taste, you know, really good taste to it. So anyway, my lovely peeps, I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bing! So you'll be notified. When I come up with any lives or videos, like I said. And don't forget to hit that like button. I hope you like the videos. And share. Share as much so we can get more lovely peeps to join the family. And hit that subscribe button. Come and join the lovely family. The lovely peeps will appreciate you. In the meantime, guys, always know that God is good. I give God all the glory and the honor and the praise. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus. And I am going to end this video and leave out saying, Jesus loves you. Yes, He does. In the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah, mwah. And see you in the next video. Much love, my lovely peeps.